Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Use Basics. Today we are going to learn how to remove Google Chrome account. To remove a Google Chrome account, that is your profile or Google account linked to Chrome, you can either remove your Chrome profile or sign out your Google account within Chrome. Both options are easy to execute and help manage your privacy data across devices. Let's begin. First of all, what you can do is open Google Chrome, launch Google Chrome on your computer, then click on your profile icon on your top right corner of your browser. This icon is usually an avatar or your Google account picture. In the drop-down menu, select Manage Profile or Other Profiles. In the Profile Manager, hover over the profile you want to remove. Click the three-dot icon in the top right corner of the profile picture. Select Delete and confirm the confirm by clicking Delete again. This will remove the Chrome profile, including all data like browsing history, bookmarks, and settings. Second method you can use is sign out of Google. Here you can open Settings by going to the three vertical dot on your top right corner. So go to Settings. At the top, under there you can see You and Google section. Click on it, and over here there you can see Google account name or picture. Click on Turn off. Once you confirm the sign out, your Google account will remove from the current Chrome profile, but the profile itself will still exist. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.